Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. Which shape should we use for the bunny? What's the first shape should we draw? Let's draw the head first. So, what shape should we use for the head?
Oh, a circle.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay, and then what shape should we use for the body?
Oval.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. And then bunnies have big what? What do bunnies have?
They have long ears.
Yes. So what shape should we use for the long ears?
Really long rectangles or ovals, your choice.
Yeah, that's good. So let's talk about whether we should use rectangles or ovals. So if we did rectangles, you could use rectangles or you can use ovals. Either one actually works. It's just the style of your bunny. So for mine, I'm going to use ovals. Okay. Good job there. Okay, bunnies also have big what?
They have big legs or something.
Yeah, they have big legs, right? Yeah. So what shape can we use for the upper leg, and what shape can we use for the lower leg? So there's an upper leg and there's a lower leg, right? Yeah. So what shape can we draw here, and what shape can we draw here?
You could use ovals or rectangles for like the upper leg and then rectangles for the lower leg.
That's perfect. Yeah. Okay. Great. All right, let's add details to the face. So animals have a what? It starts with an M. It's around the nose. What are we looking for? That word?
Oh yeah, muzzle.
Yes. So animals have muzzles, including bunnies. So we're gonna draw a circle for the muzzle. Okay. And then let's draw the nose. So you can do maybe a little triangle for the nose. Let's put the mouth. And I'm gonna use dot eyes just because I like dot eyes. Let's put the dot eyes. Eyebrows. Okay, and then let's add the arms. So what shape can we use for the arms?
An oval.
Yeah, good job. So we can use ovals for the arms. Like that. And then connect it all together. Looks like that. Oh, there's one more thing. Bunnies also have little tails, so we can use a circle for the tail. Okay? All right. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to draw this one. And we actually have a lot to draw today, so we gotta go faster. Timer, 1 minute. Okay, so practice drawing your bunny. I'll draw it with you guys. Circle for the head. Circle for the body. Circles for the legs. Long rectangle. Use rectangles for the ears this time, just for fun. Circle for the muzzle. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.